How would you like to clone the exact same system that makes me over $100,000 every single month? Hey, Glyn here. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to get straight to the point. In just a few seconds, I'm going to hand you the same software and system that I've been using for over 7 years now that has enabled me to earn a consistent 6 figures online in internet commissions every month like clockwork. Yes, that adds up to millions of dollars in my affiliate accounts, and the best part about this system is that I've been able to do it without creating complicated websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without posting on social media sites like TikTok or Instagram, without running an Amazon or Shopify store, of course without trading Bitcoin or crypto, and without doing anything you may have tried and failed with in the past. We're also doing this starting with a zero upfront budget. We're not shipping products or drop shipping from China, and even better, you don't need any experience, technical skills, or internet marketing knowledge to get the same results that we're achieving with the 100K commission system.
There that are promoting really bad affiliate products and programs. If you guys check on Glenn Koski, my friend here that I'm referring to, everything that he promotes and that he comes out with is proven to work.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here. Today I have another amazing review for you for a product called 100K commission system, and this product has gone live on the 3rd of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That means it went live yesterday, considering the time I'm talking to you now. And this very product was launched by the super affiliate, the 7-figure affiliate Glenn Koski. And this one, in a nutshell, is an amazing training course, actually a push button system that lets you clone their done for you digital product business system. That means you are able to create your own digital products, which will definitely enrich you as a person. This man, Glenn Koski, if I should tell you a little history about him, for the last 7 years has used this very system to make over $10 million. And this is the system he is giving out now to the world for you to be able to replicate yourself. And as such, if it is one you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing sales page where you are going to have a discount for, I think, $3, because this product original is $17 thereabout, and with this very coupon discount pop-up, you are going to be able to get it for that. And definitely I will show you this amazing sales page if you stick with me, and of course show you also the software, the members area of this great product, which I am privileged to have access to. If you are new to my channel, this is the time I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And now let us actually go through the amazing product review. And now we are currently on my bonus page. If you click any of the link, of course, the first link in my description area, it's going to bring you to my bonus page, which is this, and you can grab a copy using this button, and of course all the other yellow buttons scattered all over this very page. And of course, if this is going to be for you to create a business for yourself where you will be able to create digital software products, training courses on autopilot, and make money on the instant, and of course grow yourself into scale yourself into 7-figure income earner, this is the product to go with you. Okay, now let us actually go more into details with this one. Now this is what this very product 100K commissions system is all about. It is called 100,000 commission system because it generates over 100,000 in commissions for every month for the last month for the creator Glenn Koski, and it's a new system that clones the same business model that he has used following since started internet marketing, creating and selling and launching his own digital products. And this you can replicate using the automation and software system that has been programmed, everything basically done for you. So this is basically in a nutshell what this product is all about. Now let us talk about the pricing for this one. Like I told you, the original price for this one is $17, but with a pop-up which you are going to find on the sales page when you get in touch there, because like I said, if you click that link below in my description area, it will of course bring you to my amazing bonus page where you are going to be able to have a copy for yourself using any of the links there on my bonus page. And when you do, it will bring you to this sales page where you have this pop-up discount coupon for $3, which makes it now for you for basically $14, because 17 minus 14 minus 3 gives you $14 for that. Now that's the price of the front end, and all my bonuses which I'm going to show you are taken care of by this very front end price. Now the OTO number 1 goes for $47 downsell and is the unlimited version for this very front end. Normally it's very advisable to get it for yourself. If you buy the front end for 17, it's good to get this of course $47 unlimited version, so that you have everything basically unlimited. The OTO number 2 will be 100% done for you. It goes for downsell of $67. And OTO number 3, unlimited traffic. Traffic is everything in making money online or offline, and this is going to go for $67. And OTO number 4, automation, will go for $47. And OTO number 5, ATM edition, making money on demand, goes for $37. And OTO number 6, which is the license rights, goes for downsell of $97. And all these are all optionals for you. And of course, unlimited is important as long as you are able to get a front end. This is basically what you have there. And when you get here to my bonus page using the link in my description area, definitely you'll be able to see these things for yourself and read it through them. And here are some of the benefits you have. It is, number 1 benefit is that it's a passive income. Once you create a digital asset, it's like income property. All their digital products make them income years and years. And of course, you can always replicate this. And these very benefits, of course, is a steady source of money, multiple streams of income, no more 9-to-5 job for you. And of course, it's an evergreen business that will go on, scaling itself on autopilot, and you will be able to build your email list to make money on demand. So basically, these are amazing benefits you have with this one. In my own assessment, having my experience in this digital marketing business, I can assure you that this is one that you may need if you want to consider trying to make money online. So basically, that's what you have there. And now this is one of my bonuses for you. The first bonus from me will be the premium bonus. It's a mega premium bonus, which gives you 17 bonuses in one, 17 digital software products and training courses, which you are going to actually find nowhere else. It's called the Product Vault. It has 17 amazing products that you will find. There are links and will take you to start to learn how to make money as long as making money online is concerned. So you have basically not much to worry about this. That's my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2 will definitely be how to create free professional website, which you can sell to clients or customers of yours on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces. So basically, this is what you have here. And now you have my bonus number 3 will be how to get traffic to any link of your choice. My bonus number 4 will be the mega bonus that I have for you for this very review, and it contains the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools which you can use in your digital marketing and your desire to make money online. Whatever that is out there that you need to do, Chrome extensions, bots, whatever, it's included in this, and all the links you need to actually facilitate your making money online and make life easy for yourself online. You'll be able to find them under this over 1,000 materials that you can use to make money online. My bonus number 5 should be 3 monetization strategies. These are strategies that will help you monetize your channel on YouTube and monetize your websites and so many other things, so that you can start to make money on autopilot even when you sleep. So that's what you have there. If you generally use that link below in my description area, it will bring you to my bonus page where you can use any of these yellow links scattered all over here to actually get to the sales page where you can get the discount coupon to actually get it for a cheaper price. Now, when you do, under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, which is, this product is launched on Warrior Plus platform. So if you get there under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks exactly like this. This button, the green one, gives you access to 100K commission system, and here this blue one gives you access to these amazing bonuses. And my bonuses are not even true, you know. So now I also have another Google Doc filled with amazing products and bonuses. Okay, so my bonus number 1 on this will be the Latitude, which is a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits, which means you'll be able to make money with this NFTs. Of course, this is what this product is all about, on NFTs, and you'll be able to make money using digital assets and exchange them on blockchain and make money. Okay, so now that's my bonus number 1 on this very page, second page. My bonus number 2 on this second page will be TweetText. TweetText is a product, a software bot that is going to help you. It's a Chrome extension that will actually help you, siphon traffic from Twitter platform, which you know it's very popular. And now that's what you have here. Is a Chrome extension that will be there on your system and will be harvesting traffic to your offer or to your links wherever you want them. Now that's my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3 for this will be Insurgency, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. Amazing training course you have there. A software itself. Now you have my bonus number 4 as a lazy traffic sniper, which means you will be able to gain access on how to have free buyer traffic for yourself. Traffic is everything, so this will give you lazily how to make money online using amazing traffic. Now the bonus number 5 on this page will be JavaScript commission board, which is how to make 4-figure daily commissions on autopilot. A crazy little instrument there, a training course, a complete one that is still selling today on the Warrior Plus platform. Now my bonus number 6 will be the lockdown formula, which is how to start and scale digital marketing from 0 to 10K a month. This is going to be that formula that will teach you from scratch how to do that. Okay, that's basically what you have here on this very page of mine, which is the second page of my bonuses, which you can never get anywhere. That means you have over 1,022 bonuses from me to be able to actually make use of this product. Now with that said, let us take a look at the very sales page of this one so that you can see that you have discount coupon and pop-up that will fall down that will give you access to this one. So with that said, let us basically sort of go through this very sales page so that you see what you have here. Now, like I told you before, this is Glenn Koski, and of course this is a sales video, and you will be able to see some of the things you have as capabilities with this one. I don't want to be so much in a hurry because I am excited to give you this very product, because I know it's one that will definitely change anyone's life. So this is what you are going to get when you do get into this very sales page for yourself after clicking the links on my bonus page. Now this is an experience that you will go through. It's a very long one, which at your convenience you'll be able to actually see for yourself and see if this is going to be for you. It helps you create your own digital products with an automated system that does it well all. Okay, and the work is done for you actually. So imagine cloning somebody's efforts, which has sort of made money for the person for over 7 years, making over $10 million with this very system, and he is saying that he is giving out this very system to the world, and you can be able to replicate it for just $17 and probably $47 for the unlimited version. So I mean, it's crazy that one could do this. Now this is to say that at your convenience you'll be able to gain access to this very sales page and see for yourself the testimonials, the income proofs, and everything that you need, as long as making up your mind on this one is concerned. With that said, we will leave it at this and then be able to take a look at the very software itself. This is the software. Here you have the dashboard, the fast tracking video series, the ebooks, your product launch funnel, done for you funnel for this very productivity, and the autoresponder, email swipes, free traffic system, quick get start, and it's a complete training course that will make you money from scratch to become a millionaire in this. This is what I am seeing, and this is definitely, if I consider the antecedents of the creator, I have every reason to think that this is going to be replicable, okay? You can, something that you can replicate and do exactly what he has done. I mean, using the case studies that are available, okay? And here you have the case study, the community group, and extra free traffic and dictionary. Everything is included in this one, as I can see, and bonus videos, resources, and all the upgrades that you want at your convenience when you get here, when you become a member after purchase of this product. If I'm credited with that sale, definitely you have over 1,000 bonuses to make use of, and definitely that's where we are going to call it a day on this one. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to use the bell button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if there is anything, and of course give me the thumbs up. And now, with that said, let us try to wrap up this one by going once more through the bonuses that I have for you, which are going to be yours if eventually you make up your mind to buy this product and make use of it to make money online. So this is where we are going to come to the end of this one. I'll come back to you in my next review. Till then, this remains your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye, guys.